Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here now. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed the built-in microphone, the Oontz Angle 3 that I am having problem for past 3 years. Is it worth it? Watch this video. Okay, so as you can see in the video, I was able to replace the built-in microphone or the stock microphone of the Oontz Angle 3 that, like I mentioned in my previous video, that the audio quality of the microphone is really bad. Now here's the I've recorded or I made a recording of the audio of the stock one using the application or the web app called Sound Recorder. This is, let's say, if you have a wireless microphone, if you have a microphone that you would like to test and record, this may not be the best option for you or for you to test the audio quality of your microphone. But on my end, I find this easier rather than having it recording, because this web app can use your the built-in microphone of your Bluetooth headset. Okay, this is the only application that I find that is capable of using the microphone recording or the microphone of your Bluetooth headset to record audio. Now, having said that, I tried to record the audio quality of the stock microphone of this Bluetooth, this Oontz Angle 3, and listen to this. Hello, test mic 1 2. So this is the test of the Oontz Angle 3 microphone sound check. Okay, so as you can see, or like you heard it, it sounds really bad. The quality is really bad. Now here's the comparison of the new microphone that I have replaced it with. Okay, so listen to this. Testing 1 2 3. Test mic 1 2 1 2 3 4. Testing 1 2 3. Check mic check. Test mic 1 2 3. Well, it sounds a little bit better, but still the quality is bad. Okay, so I tried using Audacity to record the audio quality also of the built-in microphone. Now, unfortunately, I was not able to record the audio using the stock microphone, but this is the sound of the microphone that I have replaced it with. Listen to this. Testing 1 2 3. Test mic 1 2. And right now I am using the built-in microphone in the Oontz Angle 3. And right now I am using the Audacity application to record this audio. If this is still bad, but it sounds way much better, but still really bad. Sounds really bad, not really good. And here is the sound of the this microphone that I'm using right now, the Bluetooth microphone, wireless microphone that I'm using, and here how it sounds like in Audacity. Testing 1 2 3. Test mic 1 2. And right now I am using the wireless Bluetooth microphone that I bought from Shopee. And this is the comparison to what it sounds like for the Bluetooth Oontz Angle 3 microphone. And as you can see, the quality is way much better than this one. So if you're planning to use a wireless microphone or Bluetooth microphone, I would highly recommend to use the wireless Bluetooth. This one that I'm using right now. This is the cheapest one that you can buy in Shopee or Lazada, and the audio quality is good. Okay, on my point of view, in my opinion, I have been using this on my previous video and I have no problem with the audio quality. Now, let's say if you're planning to use this one for listening to music, this is okay. This is great. Because this is not just shockproof, this is also splash proof, so you can bring it anywhere. Now, to answer the question, is it visible, or is it worth it that you replace the microphone using replace the microphone with Oontz Angle 3? The answer is no. Might as well buy a Bluetooth microphone, a Bluetooth wireless microphone, and so you can use it. This is way much better. Okay, so there you have it. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, or if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. It's free. Just click on the subscribe button there down at the bottom. Or, okay, just in case you may find my videos interesting, please watch these videos. Okay, So there you have it. See you all in my next video.